Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. Welcome to Noida Institute of Engineering Technology, Pharmacy Institute, Greater Noida, through this virtual platform. Today, we are organizing a webinar on accelerators, incubation, opportunities for the students and faculties, early stage entrepreneur. If you want to become an entrepreneur, if you want to do something really great in the field of research, innovation, or startup, this webinar is for you. I'm so happy to tell you that presently our country is rising in terms of economy, in terms of geopolitical scenario, and in terms of also global innovation index. Presently our rank is 48, and we have achieved this rank after huge efforts done by in last previous few years. I also want to tell you that in terms of research and development, according to WIPO, our rank is 35th. And in terms of, in case of global startup ecosystem ranking, our rank is 20th. So how this innovation and how our progress is happening and when we'll be reaching in the top rank. So my dear participants, Ministry of Education, its innovation cell is working relentlessly in this regard. And in higher education institutions, they have encouraged to form their institution innovation council. And I'm so happy to tell you that Noida Institute of Engineering Technology, Greater Noida Pharmacy Institute, we also have one of the institution innovation cell. And we relentlessly work in this field. And today, to encourage you all to do best in your research, startup, and your entrepreneurship, we are organizing this webinar. So to start this webinar, we have a very uh, innovative person, Mr. Sanjay Kumar. I will tell detail about him during his introduction. But before starting his lecture, I want to request our Honorable Director, sir, to give his inaugural welcome address to start our this event. Respected sir, please you may give your address our participants.
A very warm good morning to all my beloved participants here for this webinar. In fact, this is a webinar which has been organized by NIT Pharmacy Institute, Greater Noida, entitled Accelerators Incubation Opportunities for the Students and Faculties and Early Stage Entrepreneurs. Now, as Ovijit has very rightly pointed out, that the nation is advancing forward in the various arenas of research and development, innovation, entrepreneurship. And in continuation with the national development, we have organized this webinar just to motivate, just to stimulate our beloved faculty members and students and delegates who are attending this webinar, how to become a very good entrepreneur in the long run. As we know that our institute has occupied a very strong position in the national education system, and we have occupied the 49th position by NIRF as awarded by Ministry of HOD, Government of India. We are accredited for our BPharm program by NBA, and improvement is a continuous pathway. We need to improve daily, and I hope that the delegates who are attending today for this webinar will be getting a sufficient knowledge, expertise, because we are having amongst us a very eminent dynamic speaker, Mr. Sanjay Maurya, who is a Associate Dean for MOOCs and Innovation Lab of NIT. In fact, all words will fail to express his nature. A very dynamic young leader who is managing the various innovation lab which NIT has. In fact, I have never seen in him a single negative attitude during my tenure for more than 12 years as a director of the institute. A very young, dynamic chap leading NIT for the days ahead. In fact, I am very happy to have you, Sanjay, here, and I hope that your lecture, your sharing of ideas will help all our participating delegates, whether he is a faculty, whether he is a student, whether he's an academician or whether he is from the industry. Thank you all. I would like to express my heartiest thanks to Sanjay for accepting our invitation to address our delegates. Thank you very much.
Thank you, respected sir, for your motivation and encourage our participants. So let me tell about our today's speaker, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Maurya. So he's the innovation ambassador of IIC, that is Institutions Innovation Council of our this institution in NIT Kattmandu. He's also the IIC's convener, and he is presently teaching. He's as an assistant professor in the mechanical department, engineering department of NIT, and he's also the associate dean innovation in labs and also in MOOCs. He's also the spoke of SWAYAM and PTL and ICT, IIT Kanpur and NIT Greater Noida, and he has published more than 25 publications in SCI or Scopus Intech journals, and he has patent in glass with straw, and he has received several funds from AKTU, that is APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. He has given more than 15 keynote lectures on multiple disciplines. Today, one of the great lectures we are going to learn from him. And with this, I'd like to request our speaker, Dr. Maurya sir. Sir, please, you may address our participants and let us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Vijay sir, for a nice introduction. Actually, the session is more about the entrepreneurship, innovation, and startup culture, which is happening in our NIT campus. This is for the student, faculty members, and all the eminent learners who can want, who can willing to start their entrepreneurship or the business in their own idea. So before going to start, I will share my screen. Abhijit sir, please confirm my PPT is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. For the starting up that part, we are going to discuss about some truth that is basically related to the journey of a startup or the entrepreneurship. The true innovators are driven by the spirit, the energy and willingness to come up with high impact ideas and concepts. This is true for the youngsters as well as the seekers who want to start their own venture or the startups. In some day before, our former Prime Minister Pranab Mukherjee said, inspire others rather than wait to be inspired for starting any on venture or the startup. So my outline of today presentation is the incubators, accelerator and startups, the entrepreneurship ecosystem concept which is related to the starting of a simple venture or the startup, the business incubator concept, definition and relevance, how to choose an incubator for your idea or for your startup to initiate, how to prepare for and make the most of an incubator which is related to your concept or the idea which is going to rise in a brand or a business. Now we can introduce to you our TBI, the business incubator at NIT, and also we have some technological opportunities at NIT, which is the innovation labs on which you can work or you get the support from the different mentors on this area. For the incubator, accelerator and startup, we learn about the different ideas which is a simple started from the raw one. For the example, if we talk about the Ola, Uber or the Flipkart, these are the startup, even Paytm, these are the startup are very recent domain and they can rise in a very long manner. That startup will basically produce by some simple idea that can impact the whole society. As we witness for that pandemic situation, the similar many ideas which is related to the some grocery or some household requirement, they can establish many of such startups and they can get the society benefit, and they can also earn their faith from the society and they start their successful business. So in this journey, basically for the startup there is no perfect definition. If there is a question, you can ask me in the chat box. Abhijit sir will stop me and they can ask me the question if you want. We are going to a simple journey of a accelerator or the incubation, which is totally related to a new domain of the education, that is for the accepting any job opportunities or preparing for the government or higher study. We can also have a next opportunity that we can start our own venture, on startup or on branch business. The simple definition for the incubator or accelerator, this is the nothing but the incubator which is related to the simple starting phase of the any business. That means if you have an idea and you can want to proceed for the different domain of your business, then you can contact to the incubator. Incubate means the place where your idea can be pitched, your idea can be listened, and the mentoring as well as the financial support provided from the incubator. The accelerator is next step of the incubator. That means if your business is growing or your business is established, your startup is running and some partial profit is gaining, then you can have the accelerator. That is time bound person or the society or the organization, they can invest to your idea or your startup and they can accelerate your business to growing fastly. This is the main concept of incubator and accelerator. We are going to witness with these two domains how this works. For the incubator, any business can start from the idea. We have an idea of different startup, then we can have the market survey. That idea might be fail during the initial phase. If there is no market, if there is no customer for your product or your services, so we have the customer discovery, who can buy our product or the services on the initial phase. So that after that we have to establish a well business plan that can have summarized all the relevant data that can use for different growing purpose. So before, if we are going to produce any particular product, then we have a prototyping of that product and we can check that quality, their aesthetic look, their appearance before sending to the final production. After that, we have a product development phase where the 3D, 2D and their advertisement for the customer is being done. After that, we can produce the different component with the quality and we can introduce into the market. But during the accelerator or incubator is two bodies. The first one is the who can support your all the process development in initial phase. This is the person or the organization or the system that can be incubator. This can be a single person or the organization or any large firm, even that can be also a bank or the loaning subsidiaries. The accelerator can give you the money for your product for a minimum time to achieve your targeted growth. But for the incubator, there will be a simple support, mentoring, and some amount of money which is given by the incubator to start your venture with the initial phase. So the basic difference between the incubator and accelerator, we have the starting phase as well as the intermediate phase. Accelerator can accelerate your business to grow. Obviously, the incubator, which is associated with the long term, you can take the help from the technology as well as the mentoring as well as the space infrastructure from the incubator. In a long term, you can run your business from any incubator also. But the accelerator is a time bound. That means they can provide a time bound money or time bound technology sharing or time bound mentoring that can help you to grow your business in the competitive market. After that, the incubator is non-profitable firm. That means if you incubate in any incubation center, then the incubation center have give the different facilities like infrastructure, internet, any mentoring support, technology that can give, but they can raise a minimum fund or minimum charge from you to run their incubation only or for the some salary of incubator faculty, but there is no profit on the incubator. But accelerator, that firm or the person only invest you on in your startup to get the profit. If you give the profit, then they can increase their investment into your business. But if there is any loss or any downfall in the business, they can stop the funding and they can leave your startup also. That is the incubator and accelerator times. So the question arises, what are they looking for? They means the accelerator or incubator. Basically, they are looking only a good idea. If you have a good idea that can sustain the market and they can start, if you can start with that idea, then incubator is the facility where they can give you the opportunity to present your idea. That is called as the term as idea pitching. The incubator is invited different idea into a different time zone and they can access your idea and give the suggestions or give them mentoring for your idea that how can build you to a startup. That is a simple way. If you have an idea, then you can contact with incubation center. They can listen your idea, they can mentor, they can finalize your idea. If your idea is a business opportunity or the business scope, then they can suggest how you can proceed to establish your business. So the incubator or accelerator have seeking only a good idea from you that can fulfill the requirement of the targeted customer or the targeted society. The next, if you have a idea, then you can create your business plan with the help of different incubation center or the different mentors, which is assisting you to produce your idea into the different zones. Like if you have an idea, then they can provide or they can help you to access the different problem and different solution for it. That means if you want to start a business, then you can connect with the correct person for the mentoring as well as the technology sharing. So the product which is going to start in a business, that means you are the only one person who can give the problem or the solution, and the incubator that will help to refine your problem or solution into a systematic manner, and after that you can start your journey in a new business. Traction is the king. Traction, that means if your startup is established, the traction means the movement or the growth of your business is basically king of the startups, any startups. If your movement or momentum of growing of your business is stagnated, then that business or the startup may fail. So to keep the traction, you have to work on the your product or the services, on the quality and other features that can attract the different segment of the customer as well as the society. So that traction is the king for your startup. This is interesting things. The share experience and avoid common pitfalls. That means if you have started your business, then you also share your own experiences. Like we have a NIT TBI, that means the business incubator at NIT, which is running by the NIT itself. The around 35 incubatee are with us. You can imagine we are giving the opportunity of our student to interact with that owner of different startups or the incubatee. They can share the common mistakes which is arises from starting of their initial phase of business. They can mentor, they can guide what can you do and what can you avoid for the starting in any business. So the experience sharing of new ventures or the well established ventures or startups that can avoid the simple pitfall from the different failure of the startup. So we can also share our experiences to others. Any good idea can be invited for the different online forms. You can give your idea and you can prepare a 2-minute or 5-minute video explaining your idea and the business plan, how you can going to start. Then the incubator can invite to come and give your idea presentation, that is the idea pitch, and they can take your interview for your upcoming ventures, and they can simultaneously allot the mentor for your domain. That is the simple starting phase. Obviously, for the marketing purpose, for the reach to the end users or the customer, we have the different platform for announcement. So your product or your services, after starting your business, you have to start in the marketing with the different TV advertisement, magazine or radio or different local newspapers. You can start from here also. These can also be supported by the incubator or the accelerator for the growing of your business. The main requirement of the startup is getting money for the startup of business or the any startup or new venture you can going to start. So the capital is playing key role for any startup. In the beginning, you can start your venture by your own money or personal saving, or your family, friends, they can invest in your business. But for growing the business, you have to collect money from some angel investors, some venture capitalists, some industries, some organization for the initial phase. After that, the banking sector or the other loan facilitator will give you the loan for your business. Before the gaining the different loans or the government funding from our business, we have to establish a business which is minimally rising the profit from the beginning, so that the capital or the money access is very vital in the startup zone. The next is the Gyan. Obviously, we all know the knowledge of the different segment of the targeted customer or the society and their needs from the same type of product which is already available in the market. The Gyan which is related to your business, which is related to your market strategy, which is related to your targeted marketing policy, that can be a knowledge you have, or you can gain, or you can take the Gyan from the different incubation mentors or the accelerator business ventures. That is the Gyan for your successful startup. Confusion and distraction. Obviously, for the startup, the simple way after completing our UG, PG or the diploma courses, we have confusion and also the distraction from our friends, family, maybe other also. You can join any firm, any government organization, or you can go for the higher study instead of taking any risks to start the business. Obviously, there is a confusion. If I am going to start my business, can it will be successful, or my hard earned money, my family money will going into the vanish. But the distraction and confusion will always lead to the take the risk to start your own venture. This is the simple as that. If there is a confusion and distraction, then you can learn from the different life stories of the successful entrepreneurs or the startup persons. So you have to the knowledge and also courage to start a new business. The incubation and accelerator also provide a co-working space. Co-working space means there is a space where we can have the different uh, space for the working as well as the different meeting, and in a given surrounded area or the floor where you can work, enjoy and live your life during your startup time. So the co-working space is not always a fun. Like we have already witnessed different types of movie, the culture on the foreign country, even India also. There is a different co-working space. That means office can be shifted into a canteen. We will have a different fun games available using our working on the different form also. That can be a simple co-working space that is a fun, but if there is a fun, there is a concentration level for your growing the business. That means happiness inside you or your employee, that can be the maximum, so that they can work for your firm or for your company, or you can also work for your own company in a happily manner, so that the co-working space is provided into the incubation of different zones. So this is the fun as well as not a fun, if we are going to get only fun, not on the business. So we are ready to start our own venture. If we have idea, then we are bloody confident to get into it and take the risk that might be the future will invite you a millionaire for the next generation. This is the simple as that. If we take risk and we are confident about our product or services, then we are going to establish a successful startup or a business. This is the main aim of our incubator or college or our society. To being a get a job or being a salaried person from private or the government organization, we can give a salary to the others, and we can give the society, give to the society for our services and product by learning our own education or your study. So sometimes no is as good as yes. That means if you have an opportunity for a MNC company or any government organization, but you have a idea of a brilliant business that can rise in a future, then we can say no. We can say no and take the risk to get the future bright in the field of entrepreneurship startups. This is the simple as that. The next for your business, find the people who can watch for you. That means the person who can trust you, who can recommend you for your startup. That is the simple for any rises business, or that can be startup in a initial domain. Any person, that might be your friend, your family, or your father or your spouse, they might be any person or any incubation or the accelerator unit. They can trust you, and then they can give you the financial as well as the technological support, and then you can start your business. So before the starting your business, you can find someone who can trust you, who can going to invest you, and who can give you the different support, even that can be moral also. You are going to start your business. This is the simple applications where we can start a different journey which is related to the our zone. The next segment before the NIT TBI, we are going to witness the entrepreneurship ecosystem, which is basically related to any startup from the idea to the successful business. This is a simple entrepreneurship circle where policy, finance, culture, supports, human capital and market are playing key role for the any startup. We are going to discuss for that. This can be help you all to start your own venture with the support of different types of incubators, accelerator or your other supports. The first, finance. Every business or startup can need money to start or the grow. So the different type of financial services are available for the startup funding. The first one is the bootstrapping. This is the simple which is India basically work on this also. This is the bootstrapping. That means you invest your hard-earned money from your parents, from your own saving. You can start from the bootstrapping. That means you invest your money on venture. After that, pre-seed funding. That means in the initial phase, some organizations, some people who can invest in your business, which is prior to your successful implementation of your business, for the office space, for the technology sharing, for the prototyping, for the product development phase. After that, the seed funding is rises. That means the seed funding we can get when our business or the startup will is established and they can start some rise the profit, so that the seed money can be provided from the capital ventures, some angel investors, from the banks or some from the other societies. They can fund on your startup during the initial phase. Later phase financing, it is also related to the different financial zones. If financing, we can get the different financing forms like personal resources. We can borrow money from our friends or relative for the different investment purpose. We can get help from the there also. The business angels, that means the angel investors, they can invest the money which is around 10K, that is 10,000 to $50,000 maximum into your business. This is the limit of some angel investors. Also some higher angel investors, they can also invest more money into your business. But this angel investor are hidden partner. They can not seeking the profit from your side. They are the investors who are really want to grow your business as well as the grow the nation. They can invest you into your business if they have different scopes for the society and country benefits in your project, if you have these type of product or services in your business. The venture capitals, that means the investors who are investing huge money into your business, they are called as the venture capitalist, and they are going to take the sharing of your profit after investing their money. The debt issue, obviously, we can borrow the loan from the different banks, different micro loans, micro credits from the different organizations, different societies for our business. Also, we can seek the financial support from the government, that is the grants, loans, etc. for our business to run in a higher manner. This is the financial domain which is required for any business. We can get help from the different sectors. You can contact incubators to get the help in all the domain. The incubators will help you to find these financer or the investors for your business. The next one is the human capital. Obviously, we know that the human capital is nothing but the person or the skilled person who are working with you for your business, for your startups. That can be individual, you, your friends, your colleagues, or your family members can involve in the business. They are basically in different skilled domain. Or you can also start your ventures from your classmates, with the classmates, and you can take the opportunities for their skilled in different domain. Like if you are seeking a market specialist, you can have the different MBA person or your friends in your relative which who are pursuing their MBA or who can pass the MBA. You can seek help from them, or you can take them from your into your startup. You can get the different human capitals for your business. That is the technical or managerial skills, financial literacy, the business planning, that can have the skill from the expected from different partners or the people in your startup. The self confidence, social networks, risk aversion, etc. are the also useful for your business. If you have self confidence, then your business or your startup can grow. If you have good social networking, then your product advertisement are good. Also, you can risk aversion, that means you, if you have a capability to take the risk, then you can start your business using that available skilled person into a business. Enable individuals to produce economy value, that is the simple employment agreement. That means a person who can work with you can give their skill for growth or growing into your business. Typically gained through the education and work experience. This skill can be get from the education or the work experience from the past, like entrepreneurial skill, education, or the key mechanism of any successful startup. Existing education program can also help you for the starting your business. There is lot of program for the innovation, entrepreneurship, and other domains. Non-traditional training programs like engagement of new agents in the educational process, like if we are going to start any component where design and other aesthetic colors are required to change, then we can hire the different designer who can help you to create your imagination into a reality. Obviously, we can take help from the different online learning platform, that is the MOOCs, massive open online learning courses available for the different startup and entrepreneurship ecosystem. You can take help from there also. अगर किसी के पास experience है, then you can take entrepreneurial experiences from the different incubation or the accelerator unit to get your business start. The policy, obviously, policy and regulations are required for any business start. Even the government is also supporting for the business. They can seeking the knowledge and the ability and capability from the person who can own the business, and they are going to start their venture. So the policy are written and they can be imposed for small and medium or the big startup from the starting one. You can have to follow the different policy and regulations for the startup of business that can be driven in different domain. So it can also save the age of starting business, that is time and cost. If you have a knowledge of different policy and regularities, then you can get the benefit of it. If you have your idea is basically unique, then you can protect your idea or your intellectual property by some IPR means. That means you can take the patent, you can also copyright, you can different IPR protection available for your business, and you can have the different awareness among the available same category of business or same product or services in the market by filing this type of patent, trademark, or that IPR for the business. This is the basically related to your different business. Like if we are going to contract with different agencies for the starting phase, then we have a different contract enforcement. Indirect monetary incentives like specialization in tax benefit, tax waiver, or GST. You have the knowledge of different policy which is associated to your new business. Also, you can govern your quality of the product by using these regulations and policy for the starting of new ventures. Obviously, culture and society norms. Obviously, you are going to establish a new business, then you have the different cultures, society norms, where your product or services going to sell or going to impact on the different people or the society. So the behavior of individuals enhance entrepreneurial activities which is required for your business, and that can be impact on your sales of your product or services during the launch phase. So it is required to have the different legends. Support, you can get support from the incubation, acceleration, or any other specialist for the starting business. That is some example. If you are contact with any incubation unit, then you can get the infrastructure and logistics, affordable access of energy, that means the internet, electricity, or the office staff, obviously the telecommunication, the transportation and logistics, the access to resources, that means the raw material or the services where you can have the different production units. The business related support, you can also get the business incubator and accelerator for the entrepreneurship support. Auxiliary support, network of the professional like legal, accounting, technical experts, and advisor of your business you can get from the different incubator and acceleration unit. General business related organization like MNEs, NGOs, TNOs, they can also invest and support for your business. The market, obviously, our product or services in after production, we are going to share any market also. So we have to survey the market before going to establish any business or the startup. So the requirement and the other things that can be quality as well as the price of that commodity or the product or the services are basically competitive with the other market competitor. So we can have the market search also. That can have the online, offline, and you can get the different global and technological development for the market search of the organizations. Now, this is the important feature, that is access to the supplier, local or global value chains existing of and access to the early customer, local market access, the international market access and export channels. If you have a product in standard international standard manners, then you can also have the international market for your product. ICT diffusion among the potential customer, like we have different technology for our product to give their appearance, their quality into a market domain. Like ICT means the advertisement with the digital manners also. So incubators are, why are the incubators are important? Basically we are going to discuss with the incubation and accelerator. So the first question arises after seeing all these domains and PPTs and other discussion. You have the question, why incubators are important? If we are not getting in support from any incubator, can we start our startup? Definitely yes, you can start your business, but if you want to rise and if you want to avoid the risk from initial phase, so you have to get the support from the incubator. They have the expertise in different culture, so they can help you to rise your business into a time bounded domain, and you have the minimum risk to fail of your business. The improved access to finance, obviously we can get the different financial applications, we can enhance global capital, we can get the advisor, mentor from different incubators, we can have the technological and other training for our business, for our employee. We can also improve support system, that is for the working space, for the bootstrapping, for the professional, from the angel investor, we can get the different help. For the culture, we can different activities, we can promote your business and decrease the risk of a startup of any business if you are taking help from the incubator or getting your access to the incubator. Market, that means incubator also provides the different local and global support to advertise or the market your product for the same. Definition and other things we have already discussed with the incubator and different domain of accelerator, but some foreign writers and some successful startup owner have give the different definition for the incubator. The business incubation catalyzes the process of starting and growing companies, providing entrepreneurs with the expertise, network and tool they need to make their venture successful. We have already discussed a lot of on these definitions. So this is the definition given by the National Business Incubator Association in US. Incubation program: diversify economy, commercialize technologies, create jobs and build the wealth or the profit from any given business. We have already discussed more on that. That is the selection, infrastructure, business support and monitoring, mediation and network. If we get the support from the different incubator unit, this is the main role where a team of the incubator can support in these 4 domains. If they select your idea, then they can provide the infrastructure, they can support and monitor and also provide the advisor or mentor for your business, and they can also advertise and connect to the market and other external or internal body. Concept we have already discussed, that is the entrepreneurs. That means you are going to start your business. The business incubator is a simple intermediate steps that can be provided different support to grow your business for the different domains. We are basically working with different incubation. So this concept is more than 50-year-old, and now that definition and their culture is changing day by day according to our digital era of the business or the startup domain. So the type that business incubator can help, that means be for the profit. If incubator is established by any private firm, they can also seek for the profit, non-profit also. Some domain that is sponsored by the public, that is the government, academic or NGO. Private, that is corporate, investor supported, or the mixed, that can be mixed with the other in these 2 domains. So our TBI, that is NIT, is non-profit, public plus private mixed with the establishments of our NIT TBI. That is the focus on the technology or social. Also you can use the mixed of these 2. Single or mixed, that means the sector that can be a single domain, or we can use different sectors like services, product, we can mix with only with other. If we are seeking for the location, that means the physical locations available with the incubator. If you want virtual incubation, they can also support to the virtual incubation in a domain. Accelerator we have already discussed, that is accelerator who can invest you in your business after the some profit rises from different domains. So the definition, the business accelerator is a intensive 3 to 6 month. The business program which include mentorships, educational components, networking, aim at growing the business rapidly, ending in demos day. If there is a loss, then they can end their support from your startups. This is the simple definitions. They can also provide the support which is basically similar to the incubator for your business. This is the we have already discussed for different domains. Type is similar to the different incubator. There is no difference in these sector in types. That is the same for the incubators or the accelerator also. Difference we have already discussed, that is the greater focus for the profit in the accelerator. Incubator are basically seeking less profit or no profit during the services. These are the key points. The incubator or accelerator have provide to any business for the support. That is the infrastructure, financial service, access to the finance, networking, also the training of your employee or the different teamwork. They can also support for the mentoring, coaching of your product or services in the initial domain of your startup. The question arises how to choose an incubator or accelerator during your startup journey. So there is 3 questions and you can carefully observe these 3. That is the analyze your own needs. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, किस तरह की requirement है. You can have the different domains. Carefully analyze what the incubator accelerator has to offer. ये जो incubators हैं that have the different domains, कि वो क्या क्या चीजें ऑफर कर रहे हैं. जो हमने 5 चीजें डिस्कस करी in previous slides, they can offer in what domain. Make sure your match with them. Your locality, your nearest incubator is good for the match of these 2. So there is lot of questions you can ask with yourself before choosing any incubator. What is the different aspects which is seeking from the different accelerator or the incubator unit. That is the some example. Do you just need a cheap or free working space or more? आप जो है एक cheap या सस्ता जो है working space चाहते हैं या उससे कुछ ज़्यादा चाहते हैं. Do you need business management mentoring or the different advisor for your business? These type of question you can ask with yourself and then you can ask with your incubator facilitator. They can have these answer of these questions. Also, you have to carefully analyze incubator, accelerator, what they are going to offer, like infrastructure, logistics support, or the laboratories, or the technology, or different funds. If they are offering, then you can opt for these type of incubator or accelerator. You can also seek for the training purpose or the different available space for your meetings and your conferences also. You can ask the question from your different incubators. The next one is the carefully analyze what the incubator accelerator offer. We have already discussed a lot of this. Make sure to match with them. That means be honest and critical in assessing what you need. आपको क्या चाहिए, that can be easily accessed by you only, and then you can contact with the incubator or accelerator for your idea to start a new business. Abhijit sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, it was a very informative and highly interesting lecture we have listened.
Abhijit sir, I need a few more minutes for the our NIT TBI, so I can seek your permission for the having another 10 to 15 minutes maximum for
yes,
the
yes,
rest of the slides.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. The next part is introducing our NIT TBI for the all. We have, as you know, for an NIT student or the other industry or the other college student, you can reach us for the our business incubator unit available at NIT. This is the NIT TBI, that is the NIT Technology Business Incubator, which is open for all, and we have all the facility available in-house in our campus, and after that you can start your venture by seeking or by getting help from us. With the NIT TBI, we have a different uh, technology support with the help of different center of excellence available at NIT. In the NIT TBI, this is the approved by the MSME and also supported or funded by the Startup India, that is the government organization. Our facilities is around 18,000 square feet in our A building, 5th floor. There is lot of space available for the different idea and startups. We have around 32 incubators in our campus, which is started from our student or the other student or other person from the different locations. They are residing our campus and they are working with us. We are providing here the different domains, and we are also giving the opportunity to get the co-working space with the highly entrepreneurial ecosystem available with the NIT. Basically, our incubation model is available with equity based, revenue sharing basis, or we can also have offer the rental of minimum cost for our student. That is for our student, it is nothing more than around 5 to 600, starting from 5 to 600 rupees to some 5 to 6,000 of space. All the supports from the NIT. The process, that means we have different domains, that is the pre-incubation, incubation and post-incubation. We support in these domains for any startups. That means the pre-incubator, we have a discovery, that is the idea pitching and preparation of your business plan and the selection of different types of organization or the funding agency, and we can also provide the help for you in these domain. Also, if you are incubated in our domain, then we have the different development advisors which can help you to increase your business. Also, we can support you to facilitate the different industry organization which is connected with us. We can have the different types of meeting, and they can invest in your business to grow the business. Also, the main benefit of connecting with us, we can help to grow your business. Post incubation, we can also, you can exit from our incubation. We can support for the different location shifting. You can want to establish in any SAGE, STPI or IT park. We can have the different partner with us, so we can support you for that. Also, we can engage you, we can scale your business for the higher run. This is the simple offering from the NIT TBI, that is the team up zone. We can provide the different mentors as well as partner for your idea or the business. We can provide the business, that is the networking with the different business. We can also have the tie up with the Amazon Web Services and Microsoft, so that we can support you for the different marketing strategy and different application of your startup. The different legal, that is the IPR and legal, accounting, finance, we can also support in these domains. We can also support for the raising of fund from the different angel, venture capitalist or investor from the bank or the government. Also, we can have the mentors and advisor for your business to starting and after the growing of your business. So this is the facility we are offering to the different segment of the applications. So this is are some college student. This is the Ankit Tripathi, mechanical batch pass out. He is the founder of Unoco, that is the product related to the environmental friendly. He is working with around 1.6 crore of turnover in a yearly basis. Mr. Mohammad Usman Owaisi is the founder of Social Vento. He is working with different types of organization and working with their social media and the digital campaigning of different organization. Also, he's the student pass out from 19 batch. Ms. Pragya Singh is the CEO of My Skill Republic. He is providing the service for the skilling of different domain. In these are the our student. Many more students are associated with us after starting their business. So this is the our incubator units. Apart from that, you can get the access of different innovation labs, different laboratories available with our NIT. You can get the help for the mentoring as well as your technology sharing for different applications. This is from my side. Thank you all.
Many thanks, sir. It was really interesting and highly informative. And many of the things, sir, that I have learned. I also doing some courses and the innovation training, etc., etc. So actually, you have summarized everything in just a few minutes. So congratulations, and we are thankful to you, sir. Sir, with your permission, can we proceed for the question and answer session?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay, I have actually brought all the questions in the slide. Actually, during sir registration, we have asked the students that if you have any question to our speaker, please ask.
Abhijit sir, if there is a limitations of time, then there will be no issue. They can directly write us with the incubation@nit.co.in, or they can also write the sanjay.kumar@nit.co.in. We can have interact with these students, and we can also solve the question. You can proceed with some question we can take if you have time.
Right, sir. Yes, we have time, sir. And sir, I would also like to inform you that maximum of the participants are they are students, sir. We received 152 responses. Maximum of the participants are students, and maximum of these participants, the students are from pharmacy background. So let me start. Rajesh from MIT University, he is asking minimum cost to file a patent.
This is depending upon the patent domain you are going to file. That means if you are filing for a design patent, or you are filing for a different services or the commodity product, it is changed for the different. Stage is starting from 2,000 to 20,000 rupees, depending upon your filing product.
Great, sir.
This is the cost.
Great, sir. Then, sir, Sahil Rana from PDM University, he is asking how to start a new company. Need your suggestion in pharmacy. I think he's trying to start his own manufacturing some unit. So he needs your suggestion.
Basically, for the any startup, we focused on our presentations today is for the new startup itself. So you can contact with any incubation unit. You can contact us also, NIT TBI. We can support you for the different domains. So your business can be, if you have a potential for the business, then we can process in other domain. So starting of a new company, you have to start with selecting any incubator unit, or you can also start with your business plan, like getting a market survey, then start your building the business plan. Then you can also work on your prototyping development, and you can give the product to some local market and take the response for your product. If there is good, then you can launch your product in a big manner.
Great. Then sir Ravi, again he is from PDM University. He is asking for necessity of English language to become an entrepreneur.
लैंग्वेज इज नो बात. अभी रवि जी सबके लिए कि लैंग्वेज का कोई भी वो नहीं है कि हम जो है किसी लैंग्वेज से हम एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं बन सकते हैं। लैंग्वेज किसी तरह की कोई बात नहीं है। धीरू भाई अंबानी, टाटा, जो जमशेदजी टाटा थे, और ये लोग जो हैं वो इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते थे, या बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते थे। दे आर हिंदी स्पीकर। तो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए हिंदी, इंग्लिश या लैंग्वेज कोई बार नहीं है। लेकिन हाँ, जब आपको कहीं पे प्रेजेंटेशन देना हो, किसी बिग कंपनी को जो है अप्रोच करना है, देन देयर विल बी ए टीम ऑफ योर कंपनी दैट माइट बी द प्रेजेंट इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज। अगर आपको जापान से, अगर कोई फाइनेंस कंपनी से अगर आपको फाइनेंस लेना है, या जापान की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो यू हैव द टीम विथ सम नॉलेज ऑफ जापानीज लैंग्वेज आल्सो। ये डिपेंड करता है, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो मैटर ऑफ लैंग्वेज फॉर स्टार्टिंग एनी बिजनेस।
Yes, sir. Ashok Kumar Bharti, he's from our institute. He's asking any computer courses you suggest.
There are a lot of courses, dear. You can take any course as per your choice in the computer domain. Especially if you are a pharmacy student, then you can take the courses which is basically used in pharmacy domain. You can work on the AI, machine learning, deep learning with the help of different pharmaceuticals applications in these domain.
And Pallavi Joshi is asking how to achieve our goals without any distraction.
There is always a distraction if you connect with the someone or some society, or work with your friends, relative. There is a distraction. But if you are focusing on your goal and ready to take a risk, then there will be a no distraction. You are the only one who can distract you from your own venture. So there is no distractions. Avoid them.
Right, sir. How to be positive always in any situation? Sakshi is asking. I think
This
they
is
have
more
planned,
about the
but
this is the more about the spiritual things. Positivity is inside you. You can uh, work, study, and behave with others in that manner that you are seeking from the others. अगर आप इस लेवल पे अपने आप को रखते हैं, then you are always positively motivated. और उस सिचुएशंस में भी आपको बस यही देना है, कभी भी एक नॉर्मल सी चीज़ है। मेरे गुरुजी जो है उन्होंने बताया था कि जब आपके हाथ से कुछ चीज़ें जाती हैं, आपको लगता है कि आप जो है कहीं पे आपके पास डाउनफॉल हो रहा है और आप नेगेटिविटी में जा रहे हैं, तो आप ये सोचिए कि जो गॉड या ईश्वर या भगवान या खुदा या अल्लाह जो भी है, वो उसने आपके हाथ को खाली किया है उसमें कुछ अच्छी और बड़ी चीज़ देने के लिए। दैट इज द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स इफ यू आर। मैं तो ऐसे ही रहता हूँ।
It's a very highly inspiring thing that you have shared. And what are the challenges in new setup? I think our faculty
We have already covered in different slides. This is the challenges which is required to the new startups.
And okay, so we do not have any other questions. So can you, sir, proceed for the vote of thanks?
Sure.
Okay, so I'd like to request our convener of IISc of NIT Pharmacy Institute, Dr. Rajneesh Kumar, sir. Sir, please, you may give the vote of thanks, and after that, we shall try to take one group photo with all the participants. So, please, sir, Rajneesh Kumar. Sir, you are kindly unmute yourself, please.
Rajneesh, unmute.
Okay. So, very good afternoon. Sanjay sir, Dr. Abhijit Majumdar sir, our director. So, Honorable Director Dr. Abhijit Majumdar sir, respected Dr. Rupa ma'am, our Dean of Pharmacy Institute, our most valuable speaker, Dr. Sanjay Maurya, of course, one of the best friend of mine, is currently working as Associate Dean, Innovation Lab and MOOCs, NIT. Dear faculty members and the students who are all present over here. So it's my privilege to prepare or to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of NIT Pharmacy Institute family and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked very hard to make this event successful. First of all, we as a Pharmacy Institute are very grateful to the management of the NIT who always stood with us in each and every step to make the institute progressive. I would like to thank my friend, Mr. Sanjay Maurya, once again, Associate Dean, Innovation Lab and MOOCs, for providing such a useful information on a very important topic of the current time, that is entrepreneurship and that is incubation in the higher institute. Then we are also very thankful to the director, Abhijit sir, and Dean Dr. Rupa ma'am, sir, Dr. Rupa ma'am, who always a or you can say motivational force behind us to organize such type of events. I would like to especially thank Mr. Abhijit, assistant professor of our institute, who almost single-handedly organized this event. I also want to thank the people who attended this event as a audience. I would like to say that your presence in large number further motivate us to organize such informative events in the near future. Then, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I would like to say that we all are most grateful to the speaker, Dr. Sanjay Maurya, sir. Sir, it was really a great experience to listen you on the important topic like entrepreneurship and the incubation lab in our college, the facilities we are providing to the students. So it is very, very important to convey this information to the faculty members and the students, so that the facilities of the NIT will be truly fruitful for our whole family. I hope this would help our faculty members and the students. So thank you all for being part of this event. Again, thank you Sanjay Maurya sir and Dr. Majumdar sir, along with Mr. Abhijit. He's such a true hard working man. Thank you Abhijit for doing so well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to request everyone, please put your camera on so that we can take one group photo. I have changed the scenario. Please can you put your camera on if you can. Yeah, one by one it is coming. And I also like to mention that I have shared the feedback form in our WhatsApp group as well as in the chat box. I'll also mail the feedback form, so you may fill up the feedback form. And I already have received the selfie that you have taken during the session. You have posted. The students, students, those are present in this session. Please put your camera on so that we can get a group photo.
Abhijit, I would request you to send a participation certificate also, if possible, today only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Definitely. Sir.
Now, please take a snapshot.
Yeah, I have taken the photo. So, thank you all of you for joining.
And thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Sanjay, very much for gracing this audience. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.